Now see here, a plain electromagnetic wave of frequency 25 megahertz travels in free space along the x direction, that is the positive x axis. At a particular point in space and time, E is equal to 63 volt per meter, that is J cap. It means electric field is along plus y axis. What is the magnetic field at this point? So, you have to calculate magnetic fields. It is very simple, as you we can just apply C is equal to that is E upon B. So, we can write B is equal to E upon C, that is 63 divided by C, we know it, that is in free space. So, speed of the light in free space or the electromagnetic wave is 3 into 10 raised to power 8. So, we can solve it. So, here we can take in this case here 21 into 10 raised to power minus 8. In this case, that is here the Tesla. Now, what is the direction of this magnetic field? So, we know it, electric field is along plus y axis and magnetic field is along plus x axis, sorry, this one propagation of the wave is along plus x axis. So, the magnetic field will be along plus k axis, because when you multiply this E cross B, you will be getting here that is a plus I cap here. It means that is coming propagation of the wave. So, the direction of the magnetic field will be along the k axis, because that can be written here plus J cross plus k cap is equal to here I cap. So, the direction of this magnetic field is plus k cap. So, we can write B is equal to 21 into 10 raised to power minus 8 k cap here Tesla. This is about the magnetic field.